Hey guys, this is Neetu and welcome back to my channel Neetu Bansal Official. I hope that you all are doing great guys. So guys, today I am again up with a review video. This is the review about this Lotus Makeup ProEdit Silk Touch Glow Strobe Cream. So guys, this is a liquid highlighter. If you want to see the review, then please continue watching. So guys, this is the Lotus Makeup ProEdit Silk Touch Glow Strobe Cream. This is a naturally luminous high definition strobe cream. This is preservative free and this is suitable for all skin types. The ProEdit Silk Touch Glow Strobe Cream is an ultra sheer high definition glow strobe cream that will enhance your skin's natural shine without leaving any residue. It is a perfect base for the foundation application and your makeup will look flawless and luminous after the use of this glow cream with your foundation. And this can be used as a liquid highlighter to highlight your cheekbones and your brow bones also. This comes in two variants and I have picked up the gold one. This is the Gold SC1 and the other one is the pink one. Packaging is quite simple. This comes in cardboard packaging just like this and it has almost everything mentioned on it. And the name of the product is Lotus Makeup ProEdit Silk Touch Glow Strobe Cream, naturally luminous high definition all skin types. And guys, this is preservative free. This is enriched with Japanese Sakura Extract, vitamin E and white mulberry. And here the shade is mentioned. This is the gold shade that I have picked up, Gold SC1. And the price is also mentioned on it. Here the price is mentioned. This is for rupees 525 and the quantity is just 15 grams. And the shelf life is also decent. This is 3 years long. And guys, that's it about the outer packaging. And as far as inner packaging is concerned, this is a tube packaging of white color and this is just a 15-gram tube, but this is kind of affordable if we compare it with MAC Strobe Cream or other highlighter creams available in the market. So guys, this is the gold shade that I have picked up. Let me show you the texture. See, it doesn't have any glitter particles. Very minute particles are there, very sheer, and it will mix up with your skin when applied. See, there is a clear difference. This hand doesn't look shiny and this is looking shiny, but there are no glitter particles. These are very micro or mini, you can say, which are not visible on the skin. So now I am going to apply this glow strobe cream from Lotus in the shade gold on my cheekbones, on the center of my forehead, on bridge of my nose and on the cupid's bow and the center of my chin. I am using my fingertips. See the glow it is giving. Now I am using the brush. I just forgot my brow bone. Now there also a little bit. See the glow it is giving. But I feel like with the fingertips it gets blended more easily and it will take a very less product rather than using a brush. And guys, I'm just happy with how my skin is looking with this Lotus ProEdit Silk Touch Glow Strobe Cream. It is giving me a natural highlighting effect on my skin without giving a made up look or makeup look. So now I'm mixing this strobe cream with my foundation and applying this all over my face and neck. See how the foundation is looking. It is looking luminous and glowing on my skin. My skin is looking healthy, glowing and shiny. Just see the natural shine that it is giving on my skin. My skin is feeling like I am glowing from within and it is giving me a luxurious, luminous glow. And guys, it is also preservative free, means it is not harmful for the skin. It can be used on the daily basis as it is paraben free and preservative free. And it does what it says. It says that it is naturally luminous high definition cream, and guys, it is really a high definition natural luminous cream as it has no chunky particles that are showing up on the skin. Still, there is a natural healthy glow on the skin that is not looking made up. On the price point, it is a little bit pricey as it retails for rupees 525 for just 15 grams of quantity, but guys, trust me, you will need a very little amount. It is so pigmented. This strobe cream is preservative free, and if you are having a clear skin, then you can use this cream as a cream alone on a daily basis to give your skin a healthy and glowing effect. And it can also be mixed with your foundation to give your matte foundation a healthy and luminous look. And it can also be applied as a liquid highlighter or a strobe cream over your foundation, just as I have applied today to highlight your high points of your face. So guys, that's it about today's video, and I hope that you liked this video, and if you did, then give this video a big thumbs up and share this video with your friends and family. Thank you so much for watching. Till next time, bye bye.